I am. Am I? You are. Are you? He is. Is he? She is. Is she? It is. Is it? We are. Are we? You are. Are you? They are. Are they? Let's practice some phrases. Am I late? Are you busy? Is he sleepy? Is she a teacher? Is it a cat? Are we friends? Are you brothers? Are they crazy?
Thank you for watching. If you found the content of this video useful, please leave your like, and write your opinion in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, so you don't miss the next videos.